Everybody is looking for better ways to learn. In today's fast-paced world, traditional methods of education are being constantly challenged and re-evaluated. Students and educators alike are seeking more effective, engaging and interactive ways to understand complex subjects. What if the future of education is already here? Imagine a classroom where technology seamlessly integrates with learning, making the process not only more efficient but also more enjoyable. Meet VR. Imagine learning anatomy not through dry textbooks, but by walking inside a human body. Virtual reality, or VR, is transforming the way we perceive and interact with educational content. It offers an immersive experience that traditional methods simply cannot match. That's what VR anatomy offers. This cutting-edge technology allows students to explore 3D models of the human body, making complex structures come to life. Traditional anatomy classes? They often rely on static images and diagrams, which can be difficult to interpret and understand. They're often limited to 2D images and diagrams, which can be, let's be honest, a bit confusing. These flat representations fail to convey the depth and intricacy of the human body, leaving students struggling to visualize and comprehend the material. But with VR, you can see every muscle, bone and organ in stunning detail, interact with them and even simulate surgeries. This hands-on approach allows for a deeper understanding and retention of information, as students can manipulate and explore anatomical structures in a way that was previously impossible. Take, for example, a medical program that integrated VR anatomy into their curriculum. The results were astounding. Students not only gained a better grasp of the material, but also developed a newfound enthusiasm for their studies. Students not only improved their test scores, but also reported feeling more confident in their understanding of the material. This boost in confidence translates to better performance in practical settings, where a thorough knowledge of anatomy is crucial. One student even said it was like having a personal tour guide inside the human body. This level of engagement and interaction is unparalleled, making learning not just a task, but an exciting journey of discovery. So why stick to outdated methods when you can embrace the future? The traditional classroom setup, with its reliance on textbooks and lectures, is becoming increasingly obsolete in the face of technological advancements. VR is not just a tool, it's a game changer for education, offering an immersive and engaging way to learn. It bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, making complex subjects accessible and understandable. Think VR in anatomy is incredible. The potential applications of VR extend far beyond just one subject. This technology can revolutionize various fields of study, from history to engineering, providing immersive experiences that enhance learning outcomes. Imagine the possibilities in other fields. Whether it's exploring ancient civilizations, conducting virtual lab experiments, or designing complex structures, VR opens up a world of opportunities for students and educators alike. Share your thoughts on VR in education below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on innovative teaching methods. Join the conversation and be a part of the educational revolution. The future of learning is here. Be a part of it. Embrace the change, explore the possibilities, and experience the transformative power of VR in education.